the fuck? What the actual fuck? BFDI was exposed for racism in this video. What is this? Dude! Dude. What do you mean? I'm the second person. Why am I the second person next to BFDI? You all will be arrested and detained. Dude. Here's my channel. I'm gonna click on it. Look. It's me. It's me. Oh my god. He says he's gonna arrest us. Oh. Even my brother is laughing at this. You could have said, ah ha 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 ha. No, dude, shut up.
That was funny. Thank you. Thank you for showing me that.
Bro, what you got? Bro, real cheese. Cheese emoji. This dude is so stupid. What the? Oh my god.
Dude, do you remember that episode that Gumball's dad watched? Just like it was like 10 pandas and one panda said this. I want to smell your fart.
Shut up, bro. Shut up. What the heck?
And then
Shut up.